In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on Bitget. This feature allows for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light conditions. Follow the steps closely to successfully change your theme settings. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Bitget platform, which features various trading options and services. Next, locate the Beyond Crypto option on the homepage. This section is typically found prominently on the screen. Click on it to proceed to a new interface that provides additional features and settings related to your account. After that, find and click on the profile icon. This icon usually resembles a person or a silhouette and is commonly located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to your account details where you can manage settings and preferences. Once this appears, look for the settings option within the profile menu. Click on settings to access various customization options for your account. Here you can adjust different preferences, including the theme settings. Next, you will need to click on Profile again to access further customization options. This step might seem redundant, but it is crucial for reaching the dark mode settings. After clicking, you will be directed to a screen where your profile preferences are displayed. Now, locate the dark mode option listed among the profile preferences. Click on it to view the toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable dark mode. This option should be easily identifiable as it is specifically labeled. After finding the toggle, click on it to enable dark mode. The switch will change its position, indicating that the theme has been successfully altered. You should notice an immediate change in the interface, switching from a light to a dark theme, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.